Good morning students, welcome back to today's class. Today we are going to see that accountancy, depreciation, provision and reserve. This is video number 22 and here we are going to see one small illustration to understand that provision for debtors, bad and doubtful debtors or provision for doubtful debts. So here that question is given. And this is an extract of trial balance from the books of Tehan Traders on March 31st, 2014 is given below. So here a part of trial balance. Actually you didn't learn that trial balance, that is in the part 2. We will learn later. But even though you understand that extract of anything, if it is said that an extract of trial balance or extract of profit and loss account or extract of balance sheet, that means that is not completed. Only for our examples a part of that is given. You got clear now what the word is that extract means? You understand now? That is not that complete thing. A part of that balance sheet means balance sheet. A part of profit and loss means profit and loss. Here word is given. You can see that an extract of. Here extract means you understand that that is not given. Whatever that the question is given, not complete, but a part of that. Here it is saying that an extract of the trial balance. You didn't learn that trial balance. Trial balance means there are so many items. That means all the balance will come in that the trial balance. All our account balances will come in that trial balance. But here you can see that only one item is given. That is why it is known as that extract. Got clear now? Sometimes balance sheet will be given like this. Sometimes profit and loss will be given like this. Only a few items. Then we say that if it is not giving complete, we call it as that extract. Keep in your mind. Okay. So here you can see that first is the format is given. This is the format. And here you can see that sundry debtors. This sundry debtors means all the debtors. For example, if Ayush is having debts, means he wants to get that the amount from Harsh Verma, Arpit, Nigel, Himanshu, Deep Sagu, and from all this means the total amount. Total of that is known as that sundry debtors. All those two together or those all amount together we call that sundry debtors. In accounting terms we call that is sundry. You understand now? That sundry debtors may be there, sundry creditors may be there. If you have to pay money to many persons from whom you are purchasing, then it is known as that sundry creditors. Clear no? But here in this trial balance, extract of the trial balance, it is given only one item. What is that? Sundry debtors. And additional information is given. That means additional information. Listen here. When this additional information is given, actually this is not accounted. That means we didn't calculate in the trial balance. Or after profit and loss account, some additional information is given means that items are not taken to that the profit and loss account. Here you can see that after trial balance, they had given some additional information. That means those items or those values are not considered while preparing this trial balance. So we need to consider now. Did you understand? Why you are getting little lag there, no? Means trial balance actually previous lesson, but we skip that lesson. You understood now? Why we skip means your first term exam, that lesson is not there. You got clear now? That is why you will get little difficulties, but if you are practicing you will get. Okay. So here additional information is given. Bad debts provided bad but not recorded amount to rupees 8,000. Here it is saying that one bad debt is there. It is recorded as, it is identified as bad debts, but that is not recorded. That amount is at 8,000 rupees, 8,000. You understand now? That means from all together, sundry debtors here you have seen that 68,000. That means if you imagine that Ayush wants to get that much amount from those all numbers, whomever name I said. So for Ayush it is his debtors. So that all together that debtors, this Harsh's debtor of some amount and Arpit is debtor of some other amount. Their all together amount is known as that 68,000. From that Ayush confirmed that Arpit is not at all going to give his debt amount, that is 8,000 rupees. Then he considered that is as a bad debt. If it is considered as a bad debt, from his total amount, what is the total debt amount? He has to get 68. Now he will not get that 8,000, which is belongs to Arpit. So you have to reduce that amount. No, there is no other way. Yeah, you ignore that amount. You understood that amount is not going to give. One thing, and another is that provision is to be maintained at 10% of debtors. And another thing is that again you have some doubt. Some other members, okay, that Harsh is sitting near to you, maybe give some amount or he may not give. So I just want to create a provision. That provision, in his understanding, 10% of his debtors, 10% of his sundry debtors, he wants to make what? Provision. Why he is again going to make provision? One, he is already identified that that amount is not going to get. That is 8,000. Next is that from the remaining amount, again he is having doubt. That is for the upcoming, in order to meet that upcoming losses on if he is not getting that amount. Otherwise what he will do, if he is expecting that all the amount, what he will do? He will calculate according to that. His profit will be according to that. But now he is having doubt whether he gets all the amount or not. And if it is no, he is not going to get all the amount, he is going to make a provision. Now he is having doubt whether the amount is going to get or not. Whenever he or she or whenever that business person is having doubt to whether he is going to get or not, in that time he is creating a provision. And here that provision percentage is at 10% of the debtors. Clear now? So question is again asking, in order to create that provision for doubtful debts, the following journal entries will be recorded. So we need to pass that necessary journal entry to show that the doubtful debts and profit and loss. So let us see that journal entries. Question you understood now?